Keeping the right people informed on a request shouldn't mean giving everyone full access. Connections allow you to involve others at exactly the level of access they need. A connection is someone added to a request in addition to the person the request was raised for. What they can see and do depends entirely on their connection type. These connection types, along with the permissions assigned to each one, are configured per service from the Connections tab. The available connection types themselves are defined through the simple list settings in the Service Manager configuration area. In this video, we'll explore how connections are configured and what each of the available settings controls. So from the Service Page toolbar, we'll open the Connections tab. Here, each row represents a connection type, and the columns define the permissions available for that type. Every option starts disabled for each connection type, meaning no access is granted until it's specifically enabled. The first column is View Request, and this gives the connection read-only access to the request summary, the workflow tracker, and the connection list. This permission is configured separately for each request type. Next is Allow Collaboration. This builds on View Request by allowing the connection to view, comment on, and post to the customer-facing timeline. Enabling this option automatically enables View Request for that connection type too. Customer Can Add Connection controls who can create connections in the first place. When this is enabled for a connection type, customers on the request can add connections themselves, choosing only from the connection types where this option has been enabled. The final two columns control notifications. Email on Add sends a notification to a connected user when they are added to a request. Email on Request Update notifies them when there is a customer-facing update, helping keep connections informed as the request progresses. Once these settings are configured, connections become available on the requests themselves. A connected user will see a new connections option in their request list on the employee portal, allowing them to filter and view the requests they are linked to. So Connections provides a flexible way to involve the right people in a request while ensuring that they only have the level of access that they need.